has a 3-year residential warranty. You see that? Just pull out, put down, boom, the wheels are engaged. Let's cut this off. This little paper tells you how to start it. All right, that says up. Make sure it's going up like it says. There's a hole there, a hole there. This bolt right here will go on the start on the outside. See how it's square down in there? And that's square. That's going to go together right there. Put that in there like that. You get one of these little black pieces here, like little washer looking thing. That goes on next. And you're going to get this piece. Tighten that up. It might be a little hard to turn because I'm going to guess there must be locking nuts in there. Yeah, so it's supposed to be kind of hard to turn. That's normal because there's a locking nut in there. So then when this is vibrating, it won't come apart. All right, one more time. Get your other handle. Make sure this part here is going up. And I'll show you one more time. You are going to need one of these, and one of these. It goes on like that. Put your bolt in there. This little washer looking piece goes on the inside. You twist this on. Hard to turn. 2 bolts. Bolt on this side, the square in there, little washer thing on, tighten this up, tighten, seems good. That one was a little tighter. All right, last step you have is to assemble these. It's going to hold your wire up. The big part goes on the handle, the little part goes on the wire. And I did actually add a little zip tie right here on the front just because I didn't like how they were running that wire. You probably don't have to do that. But it looks like the muffler is on this side, so I wouldn't recommend running your wires right in front of the muffler. Now we can add some gas. Make sure if you're going to fire this up, you're not inside your garage or you have your garage door open. Like I'm going to fill this up and go outside here. But it does take a mixed fuel. You can go either buy a pre-mixed fuel or you're going to buy a 2-stroke oil and mix it 50-1. You cannot put just regular fuel, just with no oil in it. You will burn it up. It will ruin the engine. That's good enough. Now, move the choke lever to the start position. So it says start, run. So we'll put it to start, and it says press and release the starter bulb 7 times. Right down here on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. You should be able to see fuel going through some of these fuel lines. Pull starter cord 3 to 5 times until initial ignition is heard. All right, so when it tries to start, then we're going to put the choke back to run and then pull the starter cord again. Oh, ha! Holy crap! That thing fired right up. Ha! That's awesome. Right up here, that's how you kill the engine. Push that. That's how you'll stop it. Good thing is I can pick this thing right up. Let's get it running first. I think I can fire it right up. I hope this review helped you out.